Guys, I'm showing you my fidgets. So first I have these finger rings. Then I have my mochis, pea poppers, monkey noodles. I'm just going quick for now because I want to show you them after. Back chain. I love these ones. Marble meshes. My favourite. First favourite. Those are second. Glubbles, and I'm gonna chuck them. There. So let's show you playing with my other things. So my mochis. This one's cute. It's look. I have my snake one. Running, running, running! Look. Oh, he doesn't even want to move. No, look, look. Look at the camera. You can't eat them. I'm just trying to eat the mochi, be like. Hedgehog. Super cute cloud. Yeah. Oh no. Leo. Don't worry. And then I have this little cute polar bear, which I love the most. And it's like when you put your finger like that, it goes like so smooth.
Thank you. Just have a little I'll do tomorrow.
Okay.
Shopping. Oh yeah, we're going where? Yeah.
My pea poppers.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm facing the wrong way.
Yeah.
Oh no, the pea poppers are facing the wrong way. Oh, that one is. You feel like super slimy inside. What do they put on these? Well, they're actually like really cute there. I love how they have like the little zips on it and then keychain, so I can put them onto whatever I want. These I love a lot. So you go like.
Yeah, I'll see if me and want to come.
Put that down.
Shopping.
And you can go like.
Trolley. Get some bits and pieces.
You could put it on there, and you can also go like that, and like feel the feel of it like really nice. And
So what's that? Come up to you in the morning, or will you give me a buzz?
I'll phone you before I come because I don't know what time I'm going to go yet.
Okay, darling.
yeah, and they're stretchy as well.
Yes.
That's how I love. My
Oh, good girl. Yes, good girl.
another thing that I really like. Back chain. Make it feel.
Now, are you going to see this? Have you been to see this? You've been to... I'm not going to beat it. No, I don't want to beat it. No.
I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. I just can't imagine how you could be so
I want you to be licked. I bet you lick me, but I don't.
Hey?
Mum. And I just can't imagine how you could be so okay.
She's nice and cute.
Oh, these are the second ones that I like. One weird thing about the ones that I ordered, they're like, it's a bigger size than smaller size, than a smaller size. And then, like, they stretch forever. Like, forever. And then, oh, these are like, okay, so I'll show you all 4 of them. This one. Sorry about the noise in the background, guys. My nan's dog is going a bit nutty. I can't believe that I can go like from that size to that. Copyright. Guys, like that. Okay. Okay. I have a blue one, which I also really love the colour of. Yeah. Oh, another one. This is the one I like the most, like the colours and like that. And like, what's this? Oh. Glubbers. Oh my god, guys, I actually love these though. They're so satisfying. Guys, I want to see if they stick to the wall. You're coming with me. You're coming with me. Let me turn my camera. I couldn't turn my camera around. So we're just gonna... Okay. That one's stuck. Let's try this one again. Okay, guys, so that is it for now, guys. So, bye.